Hi, I'm Scotty. If you want to learn how to service and repair antique mechanical clocks, then subscribe to my channel. Welcome to Scotty's Clock World. I've finished all the bushing and I'm now putting the wheels back in between the plates so we can make sure that they all run smoothly. It will have to go out there. Now what have we got? They look right. Gathering pallet. Put the first wheel in. The going side train is in. Now, cannon over. Having pallets in. Whoop, moving around. Cannon over. First wheel. Gathering pallet. First wheel on the strike side. Star wheel. Put in the second wheel on the going side. Put them there. Now we need to put in the escape wheel. Goes there. Lift the top plate a little bit with my finger. Put it in. Escape wheel. Something's come out. First wheel on the strike side. Star wheel. First wheel on the going side. And the first wheel. Recheck that. There we go. Now we'll hold those in place. By putting a nut on these pillars down here. We still have to put in the warning wheel and the fly. Why they haven't been put in already is the gathering pallet here, that wheel there overlaps So what we'll do is we'll put warning wheel goes there. Move it across to come out. Should have made those nuts a tiny little bit tighter, I think. Warning wheel, first wheel, warning wheel, escape wheel, first wheel, star wheel, tied up. What I'll do I'll put a nut on that post there. Warning wheel goes to there and down a tiny little bit. That's got him. Tighten that off for a moment. That's the going side train. Second wheel and the escape wheel. This is a strike side train. Right now, when I put the fly in, all those pins are going to jump out again. But we have to have the fly in to check it. Fly goes there. They're all right. This wheel. Right. We'll put a nut on the top of that. Tighten them down just a tiny bit. Keep them in place. They're spinning nice and freely. Let's check the in play. See that moving backwards and forwards. Now the escape wheel, heaps of in play there. Over the going side train. Check for in play. First wheel. Star wheel's pretty tight there. That's spinning. Not a lot of end play in the star wheel there. I might have to take a little bit more out of the bushes, I think. Yep. The fly. The only one that hasn't got end play is the star wheel. It turns, but there's no end play on it. So I'll take that to pieces, broach out a little bit more on either side on those two bushes, and then we'll come back and have another look. I've done a little bit more broaching out on the star wheel, and you can now see that there's good end play in it. You couldn't see that moving before. That's a good amount of end play, and all the other ones are right. Scope wheel, first wheel on the going side. The strike side moves freely. Right. Now on to the next step, which is putting the movement back together again.